sometimes he sucked my crack or coffee, whichever one comes first.
I think it goes crack then coffee. I don't know. I'll have to ask a crackhead. Hey, Mary. My journey here at Aveda has been nothing short of amazing. The experiences that I've had with hands-on learning with customers, the people that I've met along the way, it's been a truly breathtaking journey to be on, and I can't wait to show you guys every little bit of it.
We never eat in my car.
This is nice.
This is nice, Deb.
So obviously before any client comes in, it is our least favorite part growing up, which is making your bed. But this is also a very relaxing thing because you know that you're about to provide a really relaxing service for somebody. And Mary does it so well. So welcome to behind the scenes of Aveda. This is the hallway of classrooms where a student will be taking one of your services. And over here is Dispense, where we come after we do our skin analysis and we assess over the products and which one's going to be best suited for your skin type and how we can help whatever problematic areas that you've came to us with questions about. Supervised by an instructor, of course.
Being
Yes.
Oh my god. I know. Oh my god. Crazy.
Crazy.
Seriously, I was...
So, girl Mary here is the best. If you're ever tired at Aveda, just let your friend give you a facial and fall asleep for a full hour. She did my eyelashes while I was sleeping.
My name's Khadijah, and you're watching my YouTube channel. I can tell my experience with Aveda well, for I think November, and I was just sitting at my neighbor's house at like 10 o'clock at night, and I was like, I need something to do with my life, because if I'm sitting on a weekday at 10 o'clock over at my neighbor's house doing absolutely nothing, I was like, I need to do something. So I went online and I checked out like cosmetology schools, and I was gonna go to Leon's, but then I looked up Aveda. Well, I looked at like a ton of them, and Aveda was the first one. I clicked on it and it was so cute. It was like all artsy and colorful, and I put in my information like my name, my address, my email address, and my phone number. And then I went back to my house and I fell asleep. And at 9:30 the next morning, I get a call from Aveda. And they're like, do you want to come in for a tour? And I was like, sure, why not? You know? And she was like, well, can you come in tomorrow? I was like, I ain't got no life, why not? So I asked my mom, I was like, can we go to Aveda? And she's like, yeah. Came here, I was here for 5 hours. 5 hours. I did a tour. I did I talked to them for like 2 hours about like myself, like in the interview that we go through. You go through like an interview like you're getting a job, and you tour the place, the whole place, and you go into classrooms. And they didn't have any classes at the time that I was here, and she kept coming. The pregnant woman. Yeah.
Oh, she's so cute.
Rebecca.
Yeah. No, Rebecca's the blonde girl.
I don't know what her name, but she's
so
pregnant
cute.
here. Yeah, she's so cute. She has a cute little baby bump, and it's adorable. But she came in, and she kept coming in and out, and she did my interview, and she was like, you got in. Really?
I was like, you know, like when college like isn't your thing, like whenever you're, you know what I mean, like you're like you have this thing in your brain where you're like, I'm not going to college, like kind of bummed. You're like, what the hell am I gonna do with my life? You know? But like when you come here, it's like you feel like you can actually be somebody. Like you feel like you can actually like have the potential to like do something with your life.
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
And it's Well, it's not easy, but you really have to have the passion for it.
Okay, I will say the intro phase kicked butt. This spa phase I'm digging because I literally, kid you not, just slept while she did my eyelashes and gave me a full facial. Because I was like, Mary, like I'm sleepy, like can you just like give me a facial, do my eyelashes?
And your acne that was on your chin looks so much better.
Yeah, it's like being at Aveda has cleared my skin up. Like you literally learn how skin works. You learn like the why behind things and like the products that are here and everything. I had I'll post a pic. I had acne pretty bad. It's only red right now because Mary popped 2 of them, but I had acne pretty bad on my face. Used some of the products here and cleared right up. So that's pretty cool.
There's a specific way you're supposed to use these products, but I didn't do that. I used the way that I thought that it would work for your skin.
Yeah.
And that's just the products that we have here, like that we have in our kits. And me and Taylor are gonna be doing more of these.
The credit. I did it for the gram. You did it for the tube, girl.
The tube, dead.
The tube.
The edges are off.
One of them start above the eyebrow, the other one start with it.
Coming and they don't stop coming.